Dear students, second year, I have taken just now I have finished ENT topic, and now I am going to revise some important topics like anesthesia. This is comes under the MSN second. So I hope you all are having the notes with you. If you are not having, don't worry, I will send you. Okay, so we have studied before about anesthesia, and we got to know anesthesia is the loss of sensation. Okay, so it is divided mainly into two types, that is general anesthesia and partial anesthesia. Under the general anesthesia, inhalation anesthesia will be there, neuromuscular blockers will be there, or muscle relaxant, and C, intravenous anesthesia. Under the inhalation anesthesia, we have studied there is volatile, liquid, or gaseous anesthesia. Under the volatile liquid, that is diethyl ether, halothane, inflorescence, methoxyfluorence. Under the gaseous anesthesia, we have studied nitrous oxide, cyclopropane. We have studied partial anesthesia, under that local anesthesia, regional anesthesia. Under the regional anesthesia, we have studied field block, nerve block, spinal anesthesia, serial or continuous anesthesia, epidural or peridural anesthesia, and last one it is the topical anesthesia. Okay, mainly in partial anesthesia, local anesthesia will become, regional anesthesia will become, and topical anesthesia. Now, the methods of administration of anesthesia agent we have studied. One drop method will be there, vapor or gas anesthetic administration will be there, endotracheal anesthesia. Okay. Fourth, certain factors are to be considered during administration of anesthesia, like physiological and physically effect of anesthesia we have studied. And last one we have studied stage of inhalation anesthesia. So first stage we have studied beginning of anesthesia, second stage, stage of excitement, third stage, stage of surgery, surgical anesthesia, and fourth stage it is the stage of danger. Soon after that we have studied changes occur during anesthesia and pre-operative checkup by anesthesia. So if it is come in your board exam, in your exam it will come, because this is a very important topic. So if it is come, so you have to write first definition of anesthesia, then you have to write types of anesthesia, you have to draw the flow chart, or otherwise you have to write the types of the anesthesia to point wise you have to write it. Then after that you have to describe all the types in briefly. Okay, then after that you have to write third one, it is the methods of administration of anesthesia agent. You have to write under that one drop method, you have to explain, vapor or gas anesthetic administration you have to explain, then last one it is the endotracheal anesthesia, you have to explain it. Okay, then fourth heading you have to write about certain factors are to be considered during administration of anesthesia, that is the physiological or physical effect of anesthesia. Okay, then fifth you have to write stage of inhalation anesthesia. Under that you have to write first stage. First stage means beginning of anesthesia, second stage, stage of excitement, third stage, stage of surgical anesthesia, and fourth stage, stage of danger. Okay, so you have to write in sequence way. Okay, when you are going to attempt this question, you have to write in a sequence way. Okay, and after that you have to write 6 one. It is the changes occurs during anesthesia. What are the changes we can see during administrating the anesthesia? So you have to write. Then 7th one, pre-operative checkup by anesthesia. Okay, pre-checklist, that is checklist, everything we have to maintain. And pre-operative checkup by anesthesia means before the surgery we have to before the surgery we have to take concern with the anesthetist about regarding their surgery and regarding their disease. So according to and regarding their health, so according to that the anesthetist will be decide which type of anesthesia they have to give to the patient. Okay, so for this we have to write about pre-operative checkup by anesthesia. Okay, so I hope you all understood. In previous classes I have taught you many times about anesthesia, so I don't think so that you need to explanation more now. I think you know don't need to explanation now, because it's already taught by me many times. So just I am giving you the notes. Okay, and here I have explained you how you write to this question of anesthesia, how you write in your question paper. So how you have to attend this question, and from the beginning what you have to write, these all things I have taught you now also. So I am going to stop here only, and in next session I will take another topic to revise it. Okay, so in Emerson second, anesthesia topic is very important. Okay, so study well, and I will send the notes through the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.